Hi friends, welcome to next lecture. So today we are going to see how to customize our leave management application. Okay, so let's dig into it. So I'm just opening the application. Just go to the solution, just go to the application and open it in the edit mode. Okay, so this is how our designer looks like, and we have the option for add page. So if you click on it, it will show different options whether you want to add a database table, whether you want to add the dashboard, whether it is a custom page, whether it is a web resource or link. So navigation link is like we can provide a URL for this particular page, or also we can provide the HTML code as a web resource, or we can directly choose database table. So let me click on data table. So it will show all the available tables in the default solution. So you are aware now, like these all inbuilt tables are provided by Microsoft and are present in the default solution. So we can choose any table from the default solution, or we can create a new table also. So we have two options here. So for adding a page, we have different ways to do that. Okay, so here is the another way. If you click on the new, here also we have the same options. So there are several ways to do that. Okay, so just let me add one data table. Let me add account, and yeah, it got added, right? And let me add contact table, and yep. So you can now see here the accounts views and the contact view. Okay, so in the navigation bar of the application, this both pages got added. So pages here refers to the database table, and these are all records from the accounts table, and here we can see the all the records from the contacts table. Okay, let's go ahead and just rename this group name here. So do that, just click on the new group here on left hand side, and you will see here the option to edit that particular name. So let me rename it as to view. Right. Okay, we have advanced settings. Yeah, we can add local languages also. We have that option, but for now we are not going to add any local language. So I will leave all the settings as it is. I have just changed the name as leave management here, and just save it and publish it. So before using the application, it is mandatory to publish that application, so that all the current changes, customizations will be available to all the users who are using the application. Okay, yeah, done. The publish is done. So just click on the play button here. Yeah, now this is the application window. Is now opened, and this URL, you can bookmark this URL and share this URL with your users, so that those users can directly access your application. And this is standard UI of Dynamics 365 application. And if you see accounts if you click on the accounts, the look and feel of this particular page and all the buttons on the top ribbon are same as the contacts. So this is the standard UI provided by Dynamics 365 for model run apps. So hope you understood this. Like, this is this much simple. It took 2 minutes for us to create just these two pages for accounts and contacts, and this is that much simple. Okay, and now you can edit the views, you can edit the forms, you can edit the top ribbons as per your needs. Okay, so this is just a simple demo for now, and as we move further in our syllabus, I will show you how to customize all these things. Okay, so that's all for this lecture, guys. Comment if you have any questions, and do follow, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.